Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to add auto captions in CapCut step by step. So if you want to automatically add subtitles to your videos, just follow along. First, open CapCut and then tap New Project. After that, import your video into the timeline. Now tap the video clip to select it and then scroll along the bottom menu and tap Text. Then choose Auto Captions. CapCut will now analyze your video and automatically generate subtitles based on your voice. Once it's done, you'll see captions appear on your video timeline. Now you can edit the text, fix any mistakes, and change the style if needed. You can also adjust the font, color, and position to match your video style. Once everything looks good, preview your video and make sure the captions sync properly. Then tap export and save your video in high quality. So that was how to add auto captions in CapCut easily. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.